welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this video, I'm Vaishnavi Kotari. If you haven't subscribed my channel, go and subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without wasting time, let's start the video. Today I'm talking about my personally favorite foundation top 5 which I like very most, and I will give you one by one reviews for this foundations. Let's start. First product, the Maybelline New York Fit Me foundation for oily skin. You can use for any oily skin this foundation. Our shade number is 228 soft tan. So I can suggest for the beginners जो learn कर रहा है अभी so it's very good for coveraging and for the learning. So this price is very affordable and very cheap price. It's 550 only. So you can buy, and I will mention every product in description. You can get. Second product is Forever 52. Personally, I like so much because you will get a matte finish, not a patchy look. Okay, so I will suggest you to buy Forever 52 also. Price is so cheap, $6.99 only. So you will be happy when you use this products. So shade number is FLF016. You can use any skin and give a coverage. It's so softly and so matte finishing. You can use anywhere, anytime, party look, any occasion for at your home. So you can buy this product. And this is a third product from Sugar, not that one of Sugar. This is Sugar foundation. This is a serum based foundation and waterproof also. You can use anywhere, any parties and everything. You can use this. This is a waterproof foundation and price is also very cheap. Its price is $8.99 and you can affordable this foundations also, and coverage also very good and smell fragrance also very good. Shade number is 17 RAF. Next product is Too Faced and viseart. So personally I like so much. I just love this product. So first I will talk Too Faced, then viseart. Next product is Too Faced Born This Way. Shade is Warm Bake and Oily Free. Price is 2,700. I know price is so high, but coverage and everything foundation is so pretty and cover. I just like a packaging, so cute packaging, a bottle also so cute. So personally I like this product so much. I just love this product, and you can buy and you can give me a comment section what you like this product or not. Next product is viseart. You will get a full coverage and full matte look. Shade number is VF014 in perfection without grease. So this both foundation I just like so much, and this price price is very high, but 3,200 price hai, but coverage so softly, and I hope so this video helps you. That's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. I will meet you on another video. Until then, bye.